All of you. So today I have come with MCQs based on the Ganga river system, which we have done in the earlier class. So here we proceed with question number 1. So the question number 1 is, the confluence of Ganga and Yamuna river lies in. I told you in that class also, the confluence of Ganga and Yamuna lies in second Allahabad. Now question number 2 is, Ganga river originates from which of the following glaciers? First is Satopan Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, Siachen Glacier, या Hisper Glacier. So the answer for this is, it's very easy, Gangotri Glacier. Now we come to question number 3. Consider the following statements about Son River. I told you about this. First is, it is a tributary of Yamuna. Second is, it meets Yamuna in southern UP. So you have to tell, first of all, it is not tributary of Yamuna, it is tributary of Ganga. And it meets Yamuna in southern UP. No, it meets Yamuna. It never meets Yamuna actually. It meets Ganga and it meets in Bihar. You can see this. This is Son River. This is Son River, and this is originating from here, Amarkantak Plateau, which is on the border of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. So it originates from Amarkantak Plateau and go through and river and meet here river Ganga before Patna, and it meets here in Ara. I told you that day also. So our answer would be none of the above. Okay, now we come to next question, question number 4. So question number 4 talks about, consider the following statement about Ram Ganga river. This is Ram Ganga river. It originates in the Betul Plateau of MP. First of all, I would like to show you the map. See, we have done this in our previous video. If you want to see that video on river system, you can watch my last video on YouTube channel. So here we see. So this is the Ganga river system. I'm just naming the things. This is Yamuna, as you remember. This is Ganga, and this one river was Ram Ganga. It is Ram Ganga river, and it originates from here in Uttarakhand in the middle Himalayas, and then it meets here in Kannauj. So now we see. Okay, consider the following statements about Ram Ganga river. It originates in the Betul Plateau of MP. No, it originates from Uttarakhand. It meets the left bank. It meets the left bank of Ganga river. Yeah, it is on the left bank. You can see here also. This is river Ganga, and this is Ram Ganga, and this is on the left bank side. So this is right statement. So answer would be only 2. Now we come to next question, question number 5. The question is, arrange the following in order in which these rivers meet Ganga from west to east. So first is Yamuna, Son and Ram Ganga. So here we just see, you can see here, this is Yamuna river, this is Yamuna river, and it meets Ganga over here in Allahabad. Okay, it is Allahabad. Then Son river, we see it originates from here Amarkantak Plateau, and it meets here in Ara. This is Son river. So this is Son and this is Yamuna. And Ram Ganga. Ram Ganga originates from here in Uttarakhand and meet here in Kannauj. So what will be the sequence? From west to east. West to east. First one would be this, Ram Ganga. Ram Ganga means 3. So answer would be this. It is very much visible. Then 1, yeah, Yamuna, and then 2. So yeah, this is right. So answer B is correct answer. Now consider the 6th question. Consider the following statements about Ghagra river. It means Ghagra before Son joined Ganga, and Ghagra is known as Kali in Nepal. I told you that day also that this is Sharda river and this is Kali. It is coming from Nepal and it is coming from Uttarakhand. These both originate from the Mansarovar region, Tibet, and made Ghagra river. These streams joined and made Ghagra river. Okay, so Ghagra is known as Kali in Nepal. Yeah, this one stream is called Kali, and this comes from Nepal. So this statement is right. For the second statement, we see now, this picture. See here, I told you that this originates from Tibetan plateau, in Mansarovar region. This is Sharda, this is Kali, and this forms Ghagra river. So this is Ghagra river, and from here in Amarkantak plateau originates Son river, and this goes from here like this and meets here. So the statement is right because Ghagra is meeting Ganga before Son river. So both the statements are correct. So answer will be C, both 1 and 2. Now we come to 7th question. Consider the following statements about Gomti river. I told you that this is intra river. It only lies in UP, starts from UP and ends at UP. First is it originates from Nepal. No, it originates from UP. It ends in Saidpur region in Ghazipur, Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, it is right. It originates from Pilibhit district in UP. So the answer would be only 2. Answer would be B. Now we come to question number 8. Ghagra river passes through which of the following states? Uttar Pradesh, Nepal, Mansarovar region, Uttarakhand, Bihar. I told you that this is a stream Sharda called Sharda. It originates from Tibet, China region. So Mansarovar region, it is right. Okay. It passes through Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand will be right. This is Kali, the stream of Ghagra river. This is Kali and it originates from Mansarovar region and passes through Nepal. So it is also right. And then it enters in Uttar Pradesh. So this would be also right. And then it meets Ganga in Bihar. So this one is also right. So answer would be all of the above. And here it meets in Bihar in Chhapra district. You must know this, okay? Now we come to question number 9. This, arrange the following from west to east. First is Ara, Sonpur, Chhapra. I told you a mnemonic for this. Let us recall it once again through this map. You can see this. I told you that day also that this is Ghagra river and this enters in Bihar and this region is called Chhapra. Okay, and this is Son river which originates from Amarkantak plateau, this part, and this yellow part you can see, this is Ara, and after that this is Gandak river which originates from Nepal and enters in Uttar Pradesh. A minor part is in Uttar Pradesh and then meet Ganga in Bihar, and this is Sonpur. So now you can easily arrange it from west to east. So first one would be Chhapra, second one Ara and Sonpur. Chhapra, Ara and Sonpur. First one is 3, so these first is cut, then Ara 1, then Sonpur. So answer would be B, 3, 1, 2. Now we come to question number 10. Gandak river enters India at, I told you that day also that Gandak river originates from Nepal and China border. Okay, you just see here, this is Gandak river, this one. It is originating from Nepal China border and then it enters here in Bihar, and this is Champaran district. It is a very famous district of Bihar, and then it make a U-turn and enters in Uttar Pradesh. A minor part of it lies in Uttar Pradesh and then again in Bihar and join Ganga. So the answer would be Champaran. So answer would be C. Now we come to question number 11. Arrange the following from west to east. West to east. Arun Koshi, Son Koshi and Tamur Koshi. I told you that day also to you. This is the Kosi river and it merge. When the three streams merge, it makes Kosi. So it is Son Kosi, it is Arun Koshi and it is Tamur Koshi. So this is 2, 1 will be, this one will be the correct answer. 2, 1, 3. Son Kosi, 1 is Arun Koshi and Tamur Koshi. You can see in this map also. This is Kosi river. This is Kosi. This is Son Kosi. This is Arun Koshi and this is Tarun Koshi. And it meets in Nepal itself and then enters in Bihar and meets Ganga in Bhagalpur district of Bihar. Now we proceed to question number 12. Where does Kosi meets Ganga? I just tell you. This is Bhagalpur. Very easy. The answer would be A. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bengal? So first of all, you must know that Sorrow of Bengal is Damodar. So answer would be 4. And Sorrow of Bihar is Kosi. This one. Okay. So answer would be D. Now we come to question number 14. Consider the following statement about river Damodar. It originates from Chota Nagpur Plateau. Yeah, it is right. It originates from Palam district of Jharkhand. No. This is wrong. So the answer would be 1. You can see through this. See, this is Damodar river. It originates from here in Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand. You can see here. This is written Jharkhand. It originates from here and meets in Hooghly river. What is Hooghly now? This is the Ganga river. As you can see, this is Ganga river, which is coming along this side. And when it enters in West Bengal, in Farakka barrage, it distributes in 2 streams. This goes into Bangladesh, and this is known as Padma. And this goes in West Bengal itself. This is known as Hooghly. And here in Hooghly meets this Damodar river. So you can say that Damodar is the last tributary of Ganga river. Okay. So our answer for this would be 1. Only 1. Okay. Now last but not the least, question number 15. Consider the following statements about river Ganga. Ganga river divides into 2 parts in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. No, I just tell you. The Ganga river coming from here, and it's at Farakka barrage. It's divided into 2 distributaries. This one is Padma, which goes into Bangladesh, and this one is Hooghly river, which goes into West Bengal. So this statement is wrong. Second is Ganga divides into 2 parts near Farakka barrage. Yeah, this is right. So the answer would be only 2. You can also see this here. This is Farakka barrage. This is dividing into 2. This is Hooghly and this is Padma. Okay. So guys, I hope you just like my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, comment on it, and please thumbs up to my channel so that I may be motivated to bring more videos like this. Thank you so much.